What the crap is up, YouTube? And, well, this is not a normal video. This is basically like almost a puzzle video. It's a how to solve video, but not on any of these videos, because I already did a how to solve YouTube video on these. So put that away. But today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this puzzle. I forgot what it is called. I'm going to have to search it up. Yeah, I'm going to search up what this is called again real quick. I'll be right back. The name of this puzzle is called Pharaoh's Tomb. And if you want, I will show you that there is something inside for you. A paper in there. And first, what you're gonna want to do, well, what you're possibly gonna do, once you get this puzzle out of the box, you're gonna get a light and flash it inside the hole. And you're also gonna pull on this piece. But this piece does not open. But that, my friends, is not what you do. You're probably like moving this around. Hold on. I gotta go fix something real quick. Not with this puzzle, but I gotta go do some stuff. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back again. And so basically what I showed you, probably do this. Pull on this knob right here. Probably shake on it a bit. You feel that the knob right here is loose. Probably spin it. You probably flip it upside down, spin it. Oh yeah. Flip it upside down. And here, let me give you a better view. Probably flip it upside down. Still no change. So, and then you start to realize that most of the stuff that's important is on the top. So you do not pull, try to open that knob. You don't do anything here. You don't spin it. But what you do, this is the solution to solve it. So make sure this hole right here is facing you. This is just wood texture, by the way. So make sure this wood is facing you. Make sure you go to this edge right here and pull it up like that. Once you have it up, this is more stable. Don't pull on it though. Some of you might do. This one does not pull up, but what you do is, so you move that one to the side. So you basically just knock it like that. So once you knock it, this will be exposed. So you move that up. Move it up like this. And then you pull it back. You move this piece. This is the side part. And then there you go. It is opened, and inside of the box shows a paper that says, oh, that's interesting. Maybe you should do that. That's a good idea. I like that. But the way you can put it back together, here's how you do it. You can put a note or something in here. You can put anything. You can even put stuff through here, but you can put bigger stuff in this. But what you do to solve it, basically back again to its unsolved state, you put it like this, and you put the door like that. And you get this piece, see this grooves right there, so hold it like that, make sure it will go in. If it doesn't go in, just do this. Make sure the grooves get perfect. There you go. And then your puzzle is back to how it was, with whatever you have inside, like this. So I'm going to put a light in there, turn it on, close it back, wait. There you go, you got a turned on flashlight in there, so you can just speed solve. Like that. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more puzzles like this, and I'll show you how to solve all of them. So like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. That is how you solve the Pharaoh's tomb puzzle. And like the paper says, consider doing this. Goodbye, everybody.